Get free $100 no deposit bonus from this video I'll be talking about. And firstly, I would love to inform everyone that the advanced feature of this channel have been installed, which means everyone will be getting quick access to click on the link, which will be taking you to the platform where you'll be getting this no deposit bonus or free prop firm, which I'll be talking about. Now, in today's video, I'll be talking about how to get a free $100 no deposit bonus from a platform, which I'll be sharing the steps, process, and every single information you need to be aware of in order not to make mistake or miss out on any important details you're supposed to be aware of. Now, firstly, if you're just coming across this channel, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, give this video a like, and leave a comment in the comment section the country which you're watching from. Now, importantly, there's one thing you need to do. There's a share button which you need to share this video with your friends, your colleagues. It's very, very important, and it's actually going to be part of the requirement to get this bonus. Now, without wasting time, there's a link in the comment section which will take you to the Telegram channel. It will take you to a post in the Telegram channel which you can just click on to get the link that will be taking you straight to the bonus without wasting time. And as usual, once we get to this aspect of this platform, you can see we are required to add our first name, our last name, our email address, our mobile phone number, the country where you're from, the state where you're from, your district, which actually splits to represent your city. And right here, you see you are required to put in a password. And down below it, you see you are required to confirm the password to make sure you didn't make any mistake while creating your password. And right here, the referral code will be filled automatically if you're using the link I had to the description, and also the link would be in the comment section, so you just click on it and then you are getting access to this platform right here. Now let me quickly actually fill in my details. For the first one, you see my first name, it should be your surname, and right here your last name should be your first name, which is the name you actually bear. And for the email address, type it into this section right here, right into this box right here, and make sure you fill in the right details without any mistake. And that's what I actually do right here. All right, that's been done. And for this mobile phone number, make sure you actually firstly change this country code to the code representing your country. But you can just type it and it will bring it out, and then you now put in your mobile phone number right here in front into this box right here. So that goes like that. Now right there. Now the next thing we need to put in, since we already selected our country code, the country will be filled in automatically. Now we need to put in the states. You can also type it in right here, and the state will be brought into the option. And for the city, type it also, and it would show right there. Now you need to create a password based on the requirements into this box right here. The password right there, and also right here you confirm the password to make sure there is no mistake while typing it. I think I just made a mistake and I need to correct that. Right there. So that has been filled. I'm sure that aligns with the password at the top. And the next thing we need to do is to click on create account. Now right there, you can see it's actually loading, and we need to complete this quick captcha to make sure we're not actually missing out, and to make sure you're not a robot. Now you can see it says 88 plus 9, so you just need to do the addition and then you put in the answer into this box. Now if you're doing yours, it will be a different question or a different arithmetic and stuff like that. So just make sure you give the correct answer, and then you click on verify. Now to do the addition of this one, you just need to add it, and that's 97, and then you verify right there. So waiting for it to finish loading. Now it's done, and this is what it looks like. This is what the site looks like. Now set up a faster way to receive security. Now to protect the account, you can either link the account to an authenticator app, or you link it to your Telegram right here. Now for me, I would prefer an authenticator because I won't want to risk linking my Telegram to any platform at the moment. Now, right here, authenticator, you click on this, enable, and then it creates this barcode right here, or you just copy this link below right there. So you copy the link, go to your authenticator. Now for the authenticator, my authenticator won't be showing. That's for the security purpose, because right there I just need to add the authenticator, the code, the authenticator code, and it will generate a code for me. Every 10 seconds it will generate a new code. That's what the authenticator is meant for. So right there, I just need to add it, and I think I have it already. So I just need to copy the code, and then take it back to the site. And then I just need to input it into this box right here. Paste, enable authenticator. Now that has been done. Now you can see it has been successful, and the next thing I need to do is to go straight to complete my KYC. Now there's a requirement for you to meet before you'll be able to get this bonus, or else you won't be able to get it. So I just need to complete my KYC in a quick jiffy right here by clicking on start verification. Right there, you can see start verification, and use this device camera to do ID and live. Like continue on this device, click on it, click on continue on this device, and it should be brought to this section right here. Now these are the guidelines you actually need to follow to make sure your documents are not being rejected. Now you can see the requirements are being shown right here on the screen. Now you can just click on capture document with camera or upload from file, which depending on the one you prefer. And at some point I was trying to get verified by submitting my ID, but instead I think due to the browser I was using, it wasn't going through. So I had to switch to Safari to log in back, and immediately I logged in, I was having the details just like this. I was brought to this section right here, and you can see there's two different dashboards. There's one that says referral dashboard, and there's another one that says earn $100 right here. Now if you click on earn $100, you can see it shows details on the task you need to complete to be eligible to get this $100 into your trading account. Now you can see for the requirement, it says join the WinProFX Telegram channel, and you can just click on this right here, connect Telegram, to join their Telegram channel. And also for the second task, it says follow WinProFX on YouTube, and also you can also click on this right here to just go straight to their YouTube and then follow them, take a screenshot, and you can just click on this. Immediately you're done following them, you don't need to take a screenshot. You can just click on I have followed WinProFX, and right here also you can just join the WinProFX WhatsApp community. By clicking on this, we'll take it to the WhatsApp community, and you join, and you can come back right here to click on I have joined the community. And lastly, you see it says attend the webinar, which should be starting on 20th of August, and I see the time it will be starting, which is 14:30. So you just need to complete these 4 taxes, and you'll be credited with a $100 bonus to trade the live market. Now to make things interesting, you can just click on this right here to catch the live immediately. The webinar is about to start immediately on the specified date. You can just click on this cash live right here to join the webinar, which is the 4th task you are required to complete to get credited with the $100 deposit bonus. Now, another interesting part is this right here that says referral dashboard. Now, don't forget, you need to share this video with your friends, your colleagues, and also make them eligible to this offer. It actually helps you a lot also. And you can see where you copy the link from. You copy it from here, copy link, and then you share with your friends and your colleagues. Now, the specified date is just in 2 days, and you can see the countdown showing right here before the campaign starts. You can see the countdown right here, and on the day of the countdown, I'll also be making another video to share with you in case there's any other details I need to share with you guys, so you don't miss out on any important information you need to be aware of. Don't forget to subscribe, share this video with your friends, give the video a like, and leave a comment in the comment section which country you're watching us from. Have a nice day, guys.